What if I told you? This single battery right here could run your entire house, not just your lights. I'm talking fridge, AC, even your water pump. Yeah, this isn't your average power station. This is the EcoFlow DELTA Pro 3, and honestly, it's kind of ridiculous. All right, let's get into it. First thing, you don't carry this. You roll it, because this thing weighs about 113 pounds. But weirdly, it doesn't feel like a struggle. The wheels are bigger, the handle is solid, and once you tilt it, it actually moves like luggage. Still, let's be real. You're not casually taking this camping unless you really mean business. Now look at this finish. EcoFlow calls it Galactic Silver. And yeah, it actually looks like something out of a luxury car showroom. Even the screen, look at that. It's designed like a sports car dashboard. You've got your battery level, input, output, all clean, all easy to read. And the casing? Heat resistant, UV coated. So this thing is built to survive outdoors, not just sit pretty indoors. Now here's where things get serious. Inside this beast, you've got about 4 kilowatt hours of battery. That's already huge, but then you can expand it. Add 2 extra batteries. Now you're at 12 kilowatt hours. Still not enough? Chain multiple units together, and suddenly you're looking at up to 48 kilowatt hours. That's not a power station anymore. That's basically a home backup system. And yes, it can actually run heavy stuff. We're talking central AC units, dryers, water pumps, because this supports both 120 volts and 240 volts. That's the difference. Most portable units stop at small appliances. This one, it steps into full house territory. But here's the catch. You can't run low voltage DC and 240 volts at the same time. Not a deal breaker, but something you'll want to know. Up front, you've got everything. USB-C fast charging, USB-A, multiple AC outlets. There's even a high output port that can push serious power when needed. On the side, you've got a 30 amp RV outlet. So yeah, if you live that van life, this can literally run your entire setup. Flip to the other side, DC ports, Anderson port, even a remote control port. And I love these magnetic sliding doors. They snap open, stay in place, and keep everything clean when not in use. Small detail, but it feels premium. Now let's talk charging, because this part is kind of insane. 0 to 80% in about 50 minutes. That's not normal. You can charge it from a wall, from solar, from a gas generator, even from EV charging stations. And if you combine sources, you can push up to 7,000 watts of input. That's fast. Like, wait, it's already charged? Fast. Only downside? To get the fastest speeds, you'll need the right setup and cables. Out of the box, you're not hitting max speed immediately. Another thing I didn't expect, how quiet this is. We're talking around 30 decibels. That's basically a whisper. So you can run this overnight. No annoying hum, no distractions. And with the app, you can monitor everything. Power usage, charging, outputs. There's even a smart mode that adjusts power automatically depending on what you're running. So you're not wasting energy when you don't need it. Inside, it's using LFP batteries, so longer lifespan, more stability. Around 4,000 cycles before it drops to 80%. And the battery pack is actually rated IP65. Dust, moisture, even rough environments. It's built to handle it. This isn't just for home backup. You can take it to job sites, road trips, even outdoor events without worrying. So here's the real question. Is this overkill? Honestly, for some people, yeah. If you just want to charge your phone and maybe a laptop, this is way too much. But if you want real backup power, something that can actually keep your home running during an outage, or replace a traditional generator, this thing makes a very strong case. The EcoFlow DELTA Pro 3 isn't just powerful. It changes what portable power even means. So, would you trust this to power your entire house? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a full comparison with the previous DELTA Pro, I've got that coming next. See you in the next one.